If you edit videos in Filmora 14, there's a tool you might not have tried yet that can actually save you a lot of time. It's called silence detection. What it does is find those empty pauses in your video and remove them automatically so you don't have to sit there cutting them out one by one. It makes your video feel smoother and keeps people watching. You can use this feature either in the media library or a timeline, but I prefer the timeline. Let's drag the clip to the timeline. To open it, you've got a couple of options. You can right-click a clip, go to the Smart Edit tool and choose Silence Detection. Or just select the clip, go up to Tools, then Audio, and you'll see Silence Detection there too. Once you're in, you'll see a few settings you can play with. The first is the volume threshold. By default, it's at 25%, so anything quieter than that is treated as silence. Then you've got minimum duration, which is set at half a second. That just means the pause has to last at least that long for the software to pick it up. The last one is the softening buffer. That adds a tiny cushion, about 1/10 of a second, at the start and end of each audio part so the cuts don't feel too sharp. I think these default settings are fine. Just hit Analyze. Filmora will go through the clip and mark all the quiet parts in black, while the parts with sound stay highlighted. Play it back and see how it feels. If the cuts don't look right, change the settings a little and analyze again until it works the way you want. When you're happy with it, click Finish and Replace and your cleaned up version goes straight into the timeline. Beside video files, it works on audio-only files too. Let's clean the timeline and add a new audio file to test. Try a silence detection tool on it. You can see it detected and deleted all pauses. It's very helpful to edit AI-generated audios, which usually have unusual pauses. Make them sound more human. Couple of quick notes though. For video files, this only works if your clip actually has audio. You can also run it on more than one clip at the same time. And if you close the window without finishing, your changes won't be saved. This is especially handy for vlogs, tutorials, interviews, or humanizing AI-generated audios where long silences can make the video drag. Instead of manually trimming every pause, the tool does it for you so your video stays tight and easy to watch. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments what editing problem you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next one.